Because lighting is such an important aspect of photography, there are a myriad of lighting alternatives available. The options can be daunting for novice photographers and videographers. Lighting kits fill this gap by giving a variety of fundamental instruments that function nicely together. Continuous lighting kits, as the name suggests, emit a steady amount of light, allowing photographers to make quick adjustments before taking the shot. Continuous lighting is ideal for still life photography, studio work, and portraits. It's also essential for any video work you're doing. So today, let's take a look at our top 3 picks for the best continuous LED lighting for photography to put some light on your photographic adventures. As always, I'll be dropping links to each of today's recommendations down below in the description of this video. That way you can grab your favorite at the best deals whenever you're ready. Our first favorite is the Godox SL60W CRI 95+ LED Video Light SL60W. Powerful 60-watt LED bead offers high light brightness and stable illumination and features a specially designed protection cover to preserve the LED bead. Wirelessly adjust light brightness, wireless 433 MHz grouping system, 6 groups and 16 channels, switch the temperature between the Celsius and Fahrenheit. Small in size, ultralight, and portable so you can bring these lights with you to any environment. Enjoy a large-sized LCD panel for easy-to-use control access. Your settings will also be automatically saved. The Bowen style mount gives you endless ability to try out various accessories. Talk about versatility. This light offers a stable light source and even illumination for all of your video and still photograph shooting. The SL60W is suitable for outdoor usage, fluorescent lighting, and even children's photography without hurting their eyes. The Godox SL60W CRI 95+ LED Video Light SL60W is here to get the job done, and done right the first time. By the way, today's sponsor is NordVPN. They're consistently the top choice for staying anonymous online, torrenting safely, and accessing geo-restricted streaming content. You can check the description for our full review along with a special discount if interested. Next up, let's talk about the Sokani X60 V2 80-watt Cob LED Video Light. Small and compact, lightweight and portable. High-power 80-watt LED bead offers high light brightness and stable illumination. Dimming range is 1% to 100%. Excellent heat dissipation with premium heatsink and built-in fan with temperature control function to prevent overheating. Unlike other plastic protection covers or some video lights, which come without a cover, the Sokani X60 features with metal protection cover to protect the LED bead. Featuring a large-size LCD panel for convenient operation, settings are auto-saved for convenience and ease of use. This light also comes with a 2.4G wireless remote control. With 6 groups, 12 channels, you can wirelessly adjust brightness of each group with a control range of greater than or equal to 50 meters. The Bowens mount is widely compatible with light modifier accessories such as softboxes, reflectors, and honeycombs. Sokani X60 V2 also creates stable light resource and even illumination for video recording, photography, and wedding shooting. The X60 is suitable for outdoor photography, fluorescent lighting, children photography, as it is continuous output lighting. No flash, protects baby's eyes. The Sokani X60 V2 comes with everything you need right out of the box for an effortless shoot every time. And finally, our third favorite recommendation is the Neewer CB60 60-watt LED Video Light. CB60 LED Video Light provides 60-watt bright and continuous illumination for vlogging, on-location shooting, wedding, portrait, and product photography. The brightness can be adjusted from 0% to 100% in seconds. Features a built-in ultra-silent fan and stunning heat dissipation system which can meet the shooting needs of different scenes, providing creators with a highly silent environment for video production and improving their efficiency. The LCD panel shows legible readings on brightness, channel number, and real-time operating temperature. A protective cover keeps the LED from scratches. Use the 2.4 GHz wireless remote to adjust the brightness from 0 to 100% or turn the light on and off within 66 feet or 20 meters. 10 selectable channels, channel 1 to channel 10, enable you to control up to 10 lights. Set the channel at channel 88 and control all lights at the same time. A Bowens mount attaches various light shaping tools including reflectors, softboxes, and beauty dishes. The included mounting bracket offers a 180-degree beam angle adjustment and features a hole for inserting umbrellas. The Neewer CB60 60-watt LED Video Light is another dependable and powerful model that's sure to keep up with all of your needs no matter the shooting conditions. So those are going to be the top 3 recommended best continuous LED lighting for photography you should narrow your search down to. I hope this video helped you find the perfect fit for your own needs. If you have any questions, be sure to drop those in the comments. I'm excited to answer them. While you're down there, let me know what other products you're looking to buy in the near future and what you'd like to see a video on. Thank you guys for joining me again today, and if you like this video, be sure to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to Consumer Buddy for even more great product recommendations like this one, and I'll catch you all in another video soon.